Hi, let's take a look at installing Spiceworks. So I've just gone to the Spiceworks homepage, www.spiceworks.com, and I've got a couple of options. I can join Spiceworks and that'll make me a member of the Spiceworks community, or I can download now. So I've already clicked download now and got the file. It's a 62 meg file there, so I'm going to double click that and run it. I'm just going to close my browser window, close my file. Do you want to install? Yes, I do. So I'm just going to click on there. Now, when I clicked to download the app, it asked me for an email address and it validated that and also a password. And then it went ahead and downloaded. So if you're wanting to download, remember you'll need that information. Okay, here's a first question. What port do you want Spiceworks to run on? Spiceworks is going to install a web server on your machine. So I'm going to stick with port 80 because there's nothing else running on here. Then I need to read through the instructions and accept them, click next, and then it wants to know, should it install Nmap and WinPCAP? Well, if you're going to use the inventory, then yes, you do want it to install those. And we're going to stick with the default folder, click next, and off it goes. So that was pretty easy. Now the Nmap and the WinPCAP are used as part of the scanning tools. So if you're going to use Spiceworks to scan your network and find your devices, then you definitely want to add those in. If you want to install Spiceworks from the machine, then you might need to manually remove those two items as well, although it will try and remove them for you. Okay, here we go, that's moving along now. Now I've got Chrome as my default browser to run on this machine because Spiceworks performs best using Chrome. So although Spiceworks is going to install a database on this machine and also a web server, I'll be able to connect to it from any local machine that has access using a web browser. And a couple more questions. Do we want to install a shortcut on the desktop? Yes, we do. And we're going to go ahead and launch Spiceworks. So there's our desktop shortcut. Start to launch our browser, and we can also see down in the bottom, got a little Spiceworks desktop icon. Let's just look at the preferences that we can get there while Spiceworks fires up. So do we want Spiceworks to run at startup? Yes, we probably do. Do we want to run it as a service? Well, if you're just going to put it on a virtual machine and leave it in a cupboard somewhere, then yeah, you definitely want it run as a service. And you're just going to connect to it from your browser on your local desktop. What's the port number? We're on port 80. We've got secure port there as well. So I'm just going to leave those defaults. Now you're not able to use any other type of database than the one packaged with the application. You can't move it off onto, say, a Microsoft SQL server. It has to stay on the same machine with the database they've provided. Okay, that's coming along now. And if you glance at the bottom there, that's just gone. There was some options for some free help. I'm going to log in. And these are the credentials I used when I signed up to download. Again, okay, there we go. Let's get started. And it wants a little bit more information there. And then we go to our welcome screen. So if we look at the address there, we're at the Startup Wizard. And we've got three options: manage mobile devices, discover and monitor my devices, that's inventory. So if you're going to track all your devices on your network, And the final one, get my help desk running, so you can connect onto there and get started with your help desk. I'm going to click on that one and see what we get given there. I'm going to take a few seconds just to click through this first time. Okay, there we go. We can see we've got 4 tickets in there. And if we go through these tickets, we'd be able to get some more information. We can see the welcome ticket, simple set up the help desk, notify users, and also watch a video. Click on that link, that'll take us to the Spiceworks site that has a video on getting started. Okay, that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are trying to find some assistance on Spiceworks, or perhaps there's something about the application you're not sure of, feel free to drop me a line at info@greenchillijam.com and I'll see if I can get a video together to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.